Statement 19. Everywhere you are is a place to learn. In life, you can find yourself off course quite often. But even in these uncharted, unknown places, there is always knowledge to be found. While you're working that entry-level job, soak up as much information as you can. The key to success is learning and growing from everything in life and seeing how you can apply that information to further your goals. Learn while you're in that tragic minimum wage 9 to 5 process. Being in that position teaches you how to be humble, how to work with a team, how to interact with the patrons of a business, the basic fundamentals of serving the world in a small way, so that when you move your life to a higher level, you know how to serve the world in a big way. You know how to work with your team as a leader. You've been there before. You have a genuine understanding of all the minor details and can keep them in mind while deciding the major ones. When you keep the smallest details in order, the big ones fall in place more easily. When you care for the people in the most humble positions, being in the most honored position will bring you true joy. Learn from every experience you have. You never know what skills you'll need to create your future.